Former President Trump's lawyers just threw a potential wrench in the FBI's investigation of top-secret documents stashed away in his South Florida mansion. In a new court filing just this afternoon, Mr. Trump's legal team is asking a Trump-appointed judge to stop investigators from reviewing the evidence they seized from Mar-A-Lago. They're asking the judge to appoint a special master, a neutral third-party attorney, to look over all the documents and make sure none of them are private and off-limits. In their filing late today, Mr. Trump's lawyers call the FBI's search of Mar-A-Lago shockingly aggressive and overbroad. They claim federal agents took potentially privileged materials, including photos and handwritten notes. Mr. Trump's legal team also demanding a more detailed list of what the agents did take. This is the list that the FBI gave Mr. Trump. It was later released to the public. You can see how agents seized a trove of top secret and classified documents, binders of photos and information about the president of France. But that's the extent of the detail. We don't know what kind of top secret documents they were or to what they pertained. Let's bring in Renato Mariotti now, former federal prosecutor. Renato, thanks. The DOJ says it's aware of this motion and that it'll file its response in court. How do you think they'll counter this?
Well, I actually think that a lot of the arguments that are made in this are largely made for PR value or largely made to get the president's story out there. I think the special master is really the meat of this, the part of it that actually has some potential legal significance. And we'll see what happens there. I mean, one problem maybe for the former president is that this is kind of late in the game. I mean, the FBI has now had these documents for a couple of weeks, over 2 weeks. It may actually already have gone through all the documents and have them in the hands of the prosecution team, which would make this motion moot as to the special master point. And then, some of their arguments are a little bit unusual, arguing, for example, executive privilege issues when the executive is the branch of government seizing this. So I think that, this is a bit of an uphill battle for the Trump camp, but it's achieved its purpose of getting their story out there.
Renato, even if a special master is named, the investigation would continue, right? Is this a stall tactic?
It's a very limited value, Shepard. I mean, really all that matters is that the FBI is going to get the information it needs. A special master is simply going to review for privilege purposes and theoretically would achieve, essentially the same result as what's called a taint team, which is what I assume the FBI is employing now. So I'm not really sure this actually practically does a lot to move the needle for the former president, but it does, like I said, get his story out there and make him feel like he's on the offensive. There's
another note on this matter. The judge who will decide whether to unseal a Mar-A-Lago affidavit made some news today. He indicated he may not release anything at all because it would be so heavily redacted that it would be meaningless. What do you make of that position?
It's interesting. I mean, I have to say, Shepard, I was surprised the judge was even considering releasing the affidavit. If any of my clients had when they have their homes and offices searched, they would love to see the affidavit. That's rarely an option that's given to them. So I was surprised he was even willing to entertain it here. And I will say it just suggests to me that he is taking seriously the fact that unredacting that affidavit is going to potentially cause significant harm to the United States or to the investigation. And, accordingly, we may not see much of it at all.
Renato Mariotti, thanks very much.